Camino teacher coming to you from the Meseta. So look at this sky. Isn't that fabulous? It's almost sunset. Down there's one of the workers. He's finishing up his job there. They're remodeling a house. But check out the skies. Oh my gosh. So today was a super windy day in the Meseta, and the people the pilgrims got blown off the trail. But now it's pretty good. It's still windy, but it's not, it's not this crazy wind, and rain too. It's crazy. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful evening now. So it's at sunset time here. I'm at the Maria Magdalena Church in Poblacion de Campos. The clock is now on 2:03 now. It used to be on 5 minutes to 3. So yeah, oh my gosh, check that out. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, that's sunset in the Meseta. I never get tired of it. I come up here and I never cease to be amazed. Alright, y'all have a beautiful evening, and I will too. I'm gonna watch some Netflix, and I'm gonna try to get warm. Alright folks, that's all I got for y'all from Camino de Santiago sunset.